Okay, so this is a situation, but I think that we can pull together some things to make a fairly reasonable pizza sauce. So you're obviously going to need some tomatoes. You can use peeled tomatoes, you can use crushed tomatoes, whatever you have on hand will work. Garlic, red chili pepper flakes. That's all for in here. Okay, for the cold stuff. You are going to need butter. This is a precious commodity, so happy we have some still kicking around. And some basil, some shredded mozz. And we are gonna luck out, and it looks like we've got some buffalo mozzarella kicking around. So I think that this is a pretty good start. So you are going to want to put your flame over medium heat, and then we are going to take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to do 4 cloves of garlic because I like garlic. You can use as little or as much as you'd like, but we've finely diced it, and we've added about 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flake. We're gonna add this to the oil, let it toast a little bit. Then we're gonna add some basil, let that toast a little bit. And we're gonna cook this just so you can start to smell the toasted garlic. And then we're going to add a whole sprig of basil and let that toast in the oil as well. And we don't want to overcook the garlic because we don't want it to get bitter. But we do want it to toast up just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to add our tomatoes. And because I'm using whole tomatoes, I'm actually going to take a potato masher. I'm just going to mash those guys up. You can choose to put this through a food processor at the end, or a blender, or use an immersion blender, but I really like some of those nice tomato chunks in the sauce. And we are going to simmer that uncovered for about 20 minutes. So this will have reduced nicely, so you're getting a nice thick sauce. We've seasoned with salt and pepper to taste. Make sure you do the same. And then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're just gonna melt this into the sauce. And the butter is going to cut through some of the acid of the tomato, and it's going to make this a less acidic, sweeter marinara sauce.